Angela Shakti Sparks here. Today we're going to do a breath called Bee's Breath or Brahmari breath. It's a pranayama or breath work technique, and I've combined it with some energy medicine holds so that it has some even more beneficial effects. So normally when you see this practice, you'll see sometimes they cover the eyes and the ears. What I'm going to have us do today is we're going to bring our fingertips to the temples, which is in energy medicine or in Chinese medicine the triple warmer point, which deals with fight or flight. So if you're having anxiety or stress or a lot of thoughts in the head, this is going to help calm those thoughts. From here, we're going to bring our pinky fingers to the inside point of the eye. This is a bladder point, which deals with a little bit with fear, which is definitely something that we're experiencing right now with everything that's going on. So anxiety and fear, we're going to help get those with these 2 points. And then you can use your thumbs to close your ears. You're just going to close the flap of the ear. So you're just going to take your thumb and press it gently onto that flap. And then fingertips to the temples and pinkies to the insides of the eyes. You want to keep the shoulders relaxed, elbows relaxed down. And what we'll do here in just a moment, you're going to close your eyes. If you want to go ahead and close your eyes once you have these points hold and you have those relaxed shoulders, go ahead and close your eyes. And just begin by taking several slow deep breaths. When you inhale, allow the belly to expand, so you're expanding through the body. And then letting everything release on the exhale. Think of thinking of everything relaxing down and releasing. Let's take that 2 more times. Inhale. Full body expansion and exhale. And 1 more time. Inhale. And exhale. So continue to breathe slowly and deeply. And then what we'll do here is with your next inhale, in just a moment, you're going to, same thing, draw the breath in through the nose. This time, you're going to bring your teeth gently to touch inside the mouth. And you're going to make a humming sound. And you can either make this as a low humming sound, or a higher one. So for the higher one, usually my lips are a little bit separated. And it's more, you'll feel this one more up in the head. It vibrates up. It'll vibrate that third eye point. For the other humming, it's more of like a grounding, feeling it down in the body. So you can see which one feels better anytime you do this practice. And I would do this as many rounds as it takes to feel your body relax and let go of that anxiety and that stress and tension. You can do this anytime throughout the day when you're feeling stressed. If you're out in public, you could either go to a restroom, a public restroom, and do it, or go into, if you have your vehicle there, you can go sit in your car and do this, and just do several rounds until you feel calm. So with our points holding, so sides of the head, temple points, fingertips to the inside, thumbs are gently closing off that ear flap, and we take an inhale, and then we hum. And you'll just continue to breathe in this way, inhaling, exhaling with a hum. So I just did 2 low, so I'm going to do 1 high. So like an inhale. So continue to explore for yourself. Maybe you do a few more rounds after this video so you can really sink into it. You can really close off the ears and just be able to rest with that breath. Again, very powerful breath for stress, anxiety, lots of thoughts going on in the head. Low or high hum. do it. You should be able to feel even right now that you can have even just a few rounds on that exhale, feeling those shoulders drop even more. And the more you do this, you should start to feel that relaxation sink down through the body. So enjoy this breath. Please join me on Facebook. I have a group called Radiant Transformation, or you can find me at Angela Shakti, that's Shakti Sparks. And also on the YouTube channel here, please like and subscribe so that you can receive more videos and more exercises and breath work to bring health and vibrancy and well-being to your body, mind, and spirit. Thanks so much for watching.